Have you ever wondered how a simple steel bar transforms into a massive anchor chain? These giant chains are designed to hold the world's largest cargo ships securely in place. They are not just metal links. They are a critical part of modern ocean safety. Today, we explore the incredible journey of fire, pressure, and engineering behind these chains. The process begins with massive bars of high-quality industrial steel. This specialized steel is built to survive extreme pressure, salt water, and years of ocean use. Giant bridge cranes lift these heavy steel bars into the production area. The first step is cutting the steel into precise measurements. Automated bandsaws slice the steel bars with extreme accuracy. Each cut piece is called an ingot, often weighing more than 100 kilograms. Every single ingot will become one powerful link of an anchor chain. Next, the steel ingots are transported to a massive induction furnace. Instead of flames, electromagnetic energy creates the intense heat inside the furnace. Within seconds, the temperature reaches nearly 1,600 degrees Fahrenheit. The steel becomes bright red, glowing like molten fire. As soon as it leaves the furnace, the forging process begins. A massive hydraulic press bends the hot steel into a J-shaped form. Then, workers place the hot link through the previous chain link. Hundreds of tons of pressure squeeze the two ends together. This creates a complete and powerful chain link. But the manufacturing process is far from finished. The next critical stage is welding. This process is known as resistance butt welding. Copper electrodes hold the link, while powerful electric current passes through it. The extreme heat melts the steel and permanently joins both ends together. The result is a single, unbreakable metal ring. Any excess metal from the welding area is removed. Special machines smooth the surface until the link is perfectly shaped. At the same time, another production line creates the chain studs. These studs prevent the links from twisting, bending, or losing strength. Heated steel is pressed into shape using powerful industrial machines. Hundreds of studs can be produced every hour. The finished studs are inserted into the glowing hot chain links. As the steel cools, it contracts and locks the stud tightly in place. Expert welders secure both sides of the stud for maximum strength. But the chain system requires another important component. That component is called a shackle. The shackle connects the massive anchor directly to the chain. It is manufactured from an enormous carbon steel block. The 265-pound steel block is first cut and prepared. Then it is heated for hours at around 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit. Once glowing hot, the steel is moved to a 6,000-ton forging press. Extreme pressure shapes the steel into the body of the shackle. A powerful hydraulic bender then creates its curved shape. Another forging process gives the shackle its final precision form. Extra metal is removed before the shackle enters the grinding stage. Now, the shackle pin and nut are manufactured. The pin begins as a strong steel ingot. CNC machines carefully cut perfect threads into the pin. This ensures the pin and nut fit together with zero unnecessary movement. Next comes the most important heat treatment process. Heating, quenching, and tempering make the steel incredibly strong. This process keeps the steel both tough and flexible. After that, the components go through strict quality inspections. Magnetic particle testing detects even the smallest cracks. Then the chain is tested under a massive 2,400-ton load. Engineers check if any part bends or loses its strength. After passing the tests, the links are cleaned and polished. The finished chain is then placed into an asphalt coating pool. This protective layer helps defend the chain against harsh ocean conditions. Every chain section receives a unique identification number. These markings allow engineers to track the chain throughout its lifetime. Finally, giant cranes lift the completed chain sections. They are transported to the world's largest cargo ships. These chains fight against storms, massive waves, and powerful ocean currents. They hold hundreds of tons of anchors securely beneath the sea. From a simple steel bar comes one of the strongest machines in the ocean. These chains are a hidden backbone of global trade and maritime safety. When a ship drops its anchor in the deep ocean, this giant steel chain begins its most important mission. No matter how powerful the storm or current becomes, it keeps holding strong, because these chains are created through fire, science, and advanced engineering. This is the incredible story of how a simple steel bar becomes a giant anchor chain.